Hello, Henry de Groh here from De Groh Innovation, which is my company. And today I'm trying to share with you the sound that chimney swifts make when they come down and feed their young. So I've got some nesting chimney swifts in my chimney here, and in a few minutes one of the parents will come down and all the chicks will cry for food. And that's the sound that I'm trying to capture. So I'm going to sit here and talk about the chimney swifts until one of the parents comes home, and then I'll shut up. And you can hear the sounds and perhaps the volume, because sometimes people might complain about the racket that the little babies make. Now this is mid-July in the summer, July 2026. So the chicks have been here for a couple of weeks. So they're growing up, being fed by the chimney swifts, flying around my house, eating mostly mosquitoes. It's something like they eat like their body weight in mosquitoes every day, or 1/3 their body weight. Some like huge number of mosquitoes. So it's a beneficial bird. So that's what I want to try and capture today, the sound that the chicks make when one of the parents comes down to give them a snack. Now, the chimney swift is a protected bird. So if you hear some racket like this in your chimney, don't go up there and just start ripping, with your rubber gloves or whatever, ripping the nests out. Their nests are glued to the side wall of your chimney with their saliva and stuff, made from little sticks that the birds have collected in midair. Okay, and the bird has migrated here from the rainforests of Peru in South America, one of the longest migratory routes of any animal in the world, the chimney swift. Now, as I was trying to get around to, the chimney swift is a protected bird. So if you want to get rid of your chimney swifts, you have to wait until the fall, till after they leave, and then you can put a cover or something like that on your chimney so they don't come back next year. For me, I love the chimney swifts. I can sit out in my backyard and